What's going on, guys? Alex Fernandez here, coming to you with a back day video. Today we're going to be focusing more so on fixing muscle imbalances, so that's where one side is much weaker than the other due to a surgery, prior injury, and different things of that nature. So stick around for all that. Let's get into it. See you at the gym. Alright guys, so exercise number one is going to be a plate loaded rowing machine. This thing right here. We're going to be focusing on one side at a time, in other words, unilateral movement. Pull your shoulder blades back as far as you can to get the maximum contraction. And then on the negative, make sure you're stretching. And then on the negative, make sure you're stretching enough.
Answer to your prayers, I'll give you the pleasure of heaven, and I'll give it to you, harder than hell, harder than hell.
So the main goal of all these exercises in the style that we're doing them in the unilateral fashion, you want to start with your weaker side and then match it with your stronger side. So if your right side just had surgery, just getting over an injury, whatever it is, if you can only get 10 reps with a weight with your right arm, then you're only getting 10 reps with the left arm, even though you may be able to crank out 20, 25. That way your right side catches up, and then once it does, then you'll be able to make consistent symmetrical gains from there. Exercise number two is going to be a unilateral pull down. I'm going to be using this D handle right here. What you really want to focus on is keeping your shoulders square with whatever wall or mirror you're facing, as well as your hips so you don't kink out your back, and try to keep your lat as engaged as possible so that you're not pulling your shoulder up out of its socket and putting bad stress on the joint. I'm gonna be cranking out 4 sets, 10 reps each. So the third exercise is a single arm dumbbell row. Basically what you want to do here, just like all the other exercises, is keep your shoulders square to the wall. So if you're finding that one shoulder is forward than the other, correct that by making your collarbone parallel with the wall as well as parallel with the floor. And what this will do is it'll maximize the tension on your back, allow you to get the full contraction, full stretch, and save your back from injury. 4 sets, 10 reps. Again, start with your weaker arm and then match it with your stronger arm.
All the realest it gets. You probably still adore me with my hands around your neck. Can you feel the warmth? Yeah. As my kiss goes down, you like some sweet alcohol. Where I'm coming from, yeah. There's a darker side of me that makes you feel so numb. 'Cause I like hell, so burn when I'm not, then you're by yourself.
So the fourth and final exercise for this routine is a unilateral lat push down. Big thing here, again, keep your shoulders square, keep your back flat. The best form here, you want to focus on kicking your butt out and keeping your lower back nice and tight. What this does is it automatically sets you up to be able to pull your shoulder blades into a comfortable, solid position. I'm keeping a slight bend in my elbow, but it's consistent, so I'm not extending with my tricep. It keeps all the tension in my lat in order to build that width.
Can't let me in your head, I'm not here to make you, but it's praise that I get. You ain't gonna walk free, boy, not finished with you yet, no. Can you feel the warmth? Yeah. As my kiss goes down, you like some sweet alcohol. Where I'm coming from, yeah. It's the darker side of me that makes you feel so numb. 'Cause I like hell, so burn when I'm not, then you're by yourself. I'm the answer to your prayers.